Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome aboard. If you like wig tutorials and if you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and stay tuned while I give you my thoughts on this pretty blonde unit.
Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. No. I'm a savage. Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop up again. Do my strip, keep it real, you still a bitch, I'm savage.
Okay, who said browns couldn't wear blonde? I'm feeling this. This is cute. Today I have a very special announcement. I'm collaborating. I am collaborating with my girl MagikalBlackness. Make sure you guys check her out. She is super sweet and I just love her. We connected like that. Honestly, I really like her because she is all about the women empowerment. She is always, cheering me on and helping me and shouting me out on her Instagram page. Like, yes, I love that about her. I always see her promoting other YouTubers as well, and I respect that. She's monetized. She don't have to think about us little people. But she does, and I really appreciate her. So if you don't know who MagikalBlackness is, make sure you guys check her out. She plays with a lot of color, and fun fact is that she loves spicy things. But make sure you guys check her out, and make sure you guys check out her Instagram page too, and let her know I sent you. Today we are doing another color bomb in blonde. If you haven't checked out one of my previous reviews for the color bomb, make sure you guys check this one out. And of course it's Outre, and it is the style Cassidy in the color 3DRFF Ivory Blonde. And they have this whole color bomb blonde collection. So my girl MagikalBlackness is doing the shorter bob and I'm doing the longer one in blonde. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this unit. So I got this unit from Wig Types for about $30, and it comes in the color 1B and then a bunch of blondes. I was a little skeptical at first because I was nervous, like, how do you slay baby hairs with like such a vibrant color unit? I think I did pretty good. It looks nice on me. I'm feeling it. I got the whole outfit for you guys, part of my vacation series. Yes, I want to go on vacation, so that's why I've been dressing like I've been on the beach somewhere. But so this unit does have two combs in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. When I first put it on without cutting off the lace, it was tight. So I stretched it a little bit and it fits. So I would say it's like medium cap size, but it could be big head friendly if you pull it and play with it and tug it a little bit. But yes, it's definitely on the medium spectrum. So my husband just walked in the house and bought me these flowers. These are so cute. Thanks, babe. I appreciate you. And okay, so off camera, I cut the lace. I put some of my leftover makeup from my beauty blender underneath, and I tried to lay down these edges, y'all. I think I did okay. Look, the unit looks good on me, and that's all that matters. Like, I don't want to hear no complaints. But I'm feeling this. It's definitely different outside of my box. So shout out to Magical for making me step outside of my box. And this unit does have a nice amount of shedding in it. It could have been from when I cut the lace, but I did run my fingers through at first. And there was a little bit of shedding. Tangling, no. As you guys know, it's a bob, so There's not going to be that much tangling. Yes, and I will give you guys a 360. Overall, I think this is really cute. Is it something that I would wear every day? No, because you know, this color is a little bit too much for me, but I think for me to have stepped outside of my box, I think I did pretty well. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But before we go, if you are in quarantine, let me know what you guys have been doing. My husband and I have been paying off some debt, so I'm excited about that. 2 cards down, 2 cards to go. If you have been working out like we have, we are selling ArchFit cooling towels. They keep you cool during a hot, sweaty workout. You get 2 in a pack. You wet, wring, and shake. And my mom wears hers around her forehead or her neck in the middle of the night for her hot flashes. So make sure you guys, you know, support a Black business. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.